Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up parental controls on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. So if you want to set up parental controls for your child, if you want to give this tablet to your child, then you have several options depending on your needs. For instance, we have an app that is called Kids. This is an application that pretty much turns the tablet into child-friendly tab, where you have very limited options, only a few apps, and of course you can choose by yourself what you want the children to have on the laptop. Over here in the top right corner, you can also tap on these three dots in order to find some options like even parental controls. So you can go over here, enter the pin code for your tablet in order to set up some limits. Let's say you can also find kids creation, you can set up the bedtime, screen time, and so on and so forth. If you go back and go to the same settings, you can add and edit apps over here. There we go, let's enter the pin code. And of course over here you can choose to manage these apps. You can delete them, you can reposition them, and so on and so forth. And we can also go to more apps for kids in order to find something more. Of course, we have the information that before migrating any apps to Samsung Kids, please ensure to check that the application and its content, including its respective service and privacy terms, are appropriate for your children. So just because it is located in the list of apps, it is still worth checking out if the app is actually good for children, right? If they should be used by children. And of course, we can also go to settings in order to find some other stuff, and so on and so forth. So this is how we can use Samsung Kids. And this one is intended for children, for smaller children, instead of, for instance, teenagers. If you have a teenager and you want to set up the tablet for the teenager, then of course you don't really want to use Kids app. But instead you can go to the settings, and in the settings you want to scroll down and go to digital well-being and parental controls. Over here we can also set up the screen time goal, we can use app timers and also see most used apps and so on and so forth. And you can also lock the access to the digital well-being so that nothing can be changed unless the pin code is entered, and the pin code is unique to the tablet. So even if you use a pin code for the tablet, you can set up a different pin code for digital well-being. You can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and go to settings. And now over here we can enable set pin. After that you will need to enter the pin code, and that's pretty much it. Of course, it is recommended to not use a simple pin code because, well, teenagers are clever and they can probably crack easy pin codes. So the next thing is parental controls over here in digital well-being and parental controls. If you go over here, you will set up parental controls for the Google account. So let's do this. And now we need to choose the account that we want to supervise. So let's say we're gonna choose this one over here. If we confirm this, then we will sign out of every other account. These accounts and their data won't be deleted though. And only some accounts can sign back in, like for school accounts, this account that I selected can sign back in later, and so on and so forth. So it is worth reading what will actually happen. And then you can press sign out and continue, and then simply follow the eventual instructions that you will see on this screen. It should be pretty easy from that point forward. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.